Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve graphics card related issue on your Windows 11 computer. So beyond physical hardware damage, which is not covered in this video guys, it certainly could be if your graphics card is physically damaged or need maintenance, and if you having software related issue, I show you guys hopefully resolved. Go to search menu, type device, open it. In here you need to go to display adapter, expand it guys. If you having any display graphics card driver or anything like that, you need to uninstall device. You need to click on it and you need to click on uninstall like this. After that, go and restore your PC guys. Hopefully that can resolve the problem. Restart will reinstall the driver automatically. Hopefully that can resolve the problem guys. If not, try this as well guys. If it can be uninstall your driver and reinstall it can resolve the problem guys. That's why I'm going to Google Chrome, open it. If you are using any drivers like Ryzen, Intel, AMD, Nvidia, etc., search your drivers manufacturer website and download it guys. More people have Nvidia, that way I show you guys how to download, and I show you guys AMD also. Nvidia driver, press enter and click on original website nvidia.com, and you need to select product type over here, and you need to select product serial and product name and operation system, download type and your language. All thing you need to give it. After that you need to search it, and now we get something like this, and you need to download, click on it. After that, install it guys. Hopefully that can resolve the problem. And for AMD users, I'm going to show you guys AMD driver. Go to AMD driver auto detect tool, click on it. Go to download and setup, click on AMD driver and support, and now you select your product series and what you having it, select it and you need to submit it and search the product you have. Then you got a download option over here like this, and you need to click on download, and after installing that, hopefully that can resolve the problem guys. I'm not having any graphics card in my device, that's why I can't show you how to do it inside of this. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. You should good to go guys, install successfully, and that's it guys. Thank you.